Nandito kami ngayon sa Japan. So guys,
Ito na, vlog na.
Vlogger. Subscribers
Anis, transition. Saan tayo, sir?
Don't forget to subscribe.
Boss, labas muna kami, boss.
Buhay habang buhay sa
Tapos slow mo kapag slow mo kapag
Materials, no? Ganda yun. Oo, mas pang
puso't isipan mo.
Where? Saan ba? Where, sir? Where? Sabi ko sa vlog ko, where? Alright. Let's go. Binuksan lang para sa sarili. Money exchange na kami, guys. Punta kami sa isang shop dito. Wow. Uy, ito! 5K. Ito. Lipat kami, guys, kasi konti lang yung mga andito. So, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Passport captain, kawawa naman.
Oh,
Ewan mo, bakit?
Peter, asking you.
bigay. Ay, ba't if magpapalit pa ako sa
So which of them is for electronics?
Yamada?
Yamada is over there.
Yeah, but maybe inside. No? Much better. Dries, dami. Oo. Video mo mga video. Huwag ka mo nang alis ka man. Yan. Sasara yan eh. Ito kaya. Ulan ko bumukas. Bumukas yung toilet nila, guys. I'm going alone. Saan makahanap ako ng projector? That one. Go here and here?
Yeah.
I will come back later.
Oh yeah.
I think I can find it. Wala kaming nahanap. So what do we do now, sir? We eat, then go back to jail. Walang makainan dito, guys. Legit. Puro na yung stick. Yung manangrig ka. Bro, I'll be broke, bro.
Sa kabila, may Doritos ata dyan eh.
Balik ng barko, wala ng pera. Thank you. At 10 hours. Ay, 30 minutes. Saan ko kukunin? Ito? This one?
こちらを購入ですか？
Sorry?
えー
Sorry. Hi. Yeah. Do you have one? And also, guys, nabudol tayo, guys. Guys, dito na kami, guys.
Yeah. We're back.
Agard na, fresh pa kanina eh. Okay. May remote siya. Charger. May charger. Meron siyang... Oh. Huh? Oh. Here it is. This is, by the way, 30 to 80 inches